How to get 80% off United Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in United Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for United Airlines. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $150 off, $75 off, $200 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at United Airlines. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as on this website you're going to find amazing offers for United Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. You can also check out this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers for United Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to 80% off United Airlines coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.